Hey, next video going to be a little long and it's going to talk about 2.3 and it's very popular reject, and I'm going to show you up that I get a reject 3 times in the same app with 2.1 reject. Customers should know what your app getting, download, so make sure your app description, screenshots and all the rest are okay. So let's go to my app, and after that I quickly will tell you what I think about every one of them, and some of them I never get, and so it's not so and I get already all the options, so I guess not the reviewers not use them too much. Okay, something about rejects. You basically Apple less care about rejects. All time you're honest and you don't try to manipulate them time after time, so you don't need to worry about the rejects. It's the process of Apple. So I get reject 2.3. We notice that metadata include following information which is not relevant to your app contact functionality. It's basically the name of my app in one of the localizations. Okay. Next steps. Since you connect rejected, new binary required. Make design changes when you upload new binary. If I don't get total reject also for 2.1, it give me option of bug. So what I need to do basically, it's find where is the issue. For example, this app. I guess the issue is in UK. Yeah. And I must to change the title. You can change your title in every way you want. You can try to put again because it's not really something that you make some trademark issue. Simply the reviewer not agreed. So this time you will must to change the title. If it only was metadata reject, so what you need to do is change the title, go again here, send him hey I changed and please confirm my app. That's all. Okay. So I get 2.3 performance. So we get a reject. Now I get more rejects and I will show you what to do with them. 2.33. You notice with the screenshot not specifically reflect your app to use. Okay, again I go to the App Store. I always make this screenshot with the designed. It means screenshot not totally show the game. They show like very nice version of the game, and it's like wow screenshot. Okay, I will show you quickly. Okay, it's from the game, but it's many things around. So basically, they want me to put simply the game. What you can do to solve this issue, and it's work most of the time, it's simply add like more two screenshots from the game in the end, and it solve the issue. Okay, and send a message, hey, I add the relevant screenshot from the game, so they see the game, and that's all. Okay, most of the time I need to solve the issue, and it's not a problem. Sorry. I go again here. Next steps. Performance, your app name displayed app include. Okay, it's in some Chinese I guess. Again, you need to change the name. Nothing to do with this. It's very similar for this one. And for some reason I get it 2 times. Okay, so it's to 3.7. I need to remove keywords from the. I don't know what is it. I always can put, it's not relevant. I can't make more than 50 charts. Again, it depends the reviewer. It totally depends the reviewer. It's you can save it and next time to upload it and everything will be okay. Okay, now let's talk about the reasons. 2.1 not include hidden undocumented. It's simply if you try to manipulate something, it's very dangerous and you can be removed from developer program. But it's really something you try to manipulate and show something different for what you explain. In a purchase, if your app including a purchase, description require additional pursue. Basically they want you to show your main features in your description and screenshots. Okay, it's the reject I get, they need to show the app. Also the app, like I say, I also can make a design. It's talk about preview videos. I don't use too much, so I don't have too much data about it. Okay, this happens sometimes. It's very simple to Slove. Sometimes you put, for example, for casino, some different category. So most of the reviewers not care about it, and if not going to reject, it's your problem. But some reviewers will going to reject the app and will ask you to change the category. So it's only choose the right category you think it's good for your app, send a message, and it's loved. It's very easy issue. Answer the age rating, and it's about the rating of the apps. When they ask you questions, what apps you do, so you make some mistake in this questionnaire. Choose unique. I never saw them to use it. I guess when you try to put too long titles, it's what I get. It's what I get reject now. When I try to put too long titles, so Apple may modify incorporate keywords at any time. So basically to give them reject, metadata should approve all the so make sure your account screenshot preview. Again, not happen too much, respond to the current rights, use materialize your app icons. If somebody try to tell you that it's not your graphics, you need to save it. Again, not happen too much. Make sure your app focused Apple Watch experience, don't include names, icons. Again, not happen me never. Okay, hope it's understand. Most of these things need to be Sloved and only send a message. You don't need to make something extra. You don't need to make new build. Okay, most of the time it's something to change in the description, something to change in the screenshot, something to change in the icon. Sometimes you forget and put the description for Google Play in iTunes, and you have the word Google Play in the description, so it's not Apple not like it. So basically, if you want and not in copy paste from Google Play, and you want to avoid Google Play, so basically what you need to do, it's right here Google and Control F. And if it's not show you nothing, so you're okay. Cool, I think that's all. So it's about this long, and you can get many combinations of these rejects, but again, you don't need to make something too complicated. I hope I solved your issue with your reject, and I'm happy if you can share it with your friends, this page, because it can help many people to solve their issues with Apple. By the way, you always can make it from here. Okay, cool, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, by the way. We're going to get a lot of data in the next months. Bye.